Hey, it's Michael Dela Cruz, and are you looking to starting an online business but you don't want to be chasing families and friends? Well, coming up next, I'm going to be sharing with you how to start an online business without chasing friends or even your relatives. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. And first of all, I just want to say welcome to this platform. Welcome to my space here. It's your space as well because you're here to learn. It's just, things that are going to help you succeed in life. And basically, if you are into entrepreneurship, making money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, lead generation, or anything that has to do with creating success on the internet, make sure that you hit subscribe and hit that bell notification, because each time I post a video regarding any of those topics, you will get notified. All right, so and make sure you hit like on this video because it helps it to get it to more people that are in need of this information. And basically, in this video I want to show you how you can start a online business without having to chase families and friends. Listen, when I started this journey of online business, well, I started offline at first. I did, I used to do like hotel meetings. I used to sell, coffee products. I sold vitamin products, and a lot of those business models require me to go ahead and, make a list of 100 people and basically start, calling them, to offer them my products. The thing with that is that I found myself that I was chasing after people and people were not even interested. It reminded me of being a telemarketer, or because the bottom line is like not everybody's interested in what you have to offer, because at that time I had a vision and I see that I had something that can help people out. It's just that people didn't see the same thing that I saw. They didn't see my vision. They didn't see how good the products were. They were just not interested. They just saw me and they will avoid me at all costs, because all they thought that the reason why I will approach them is to sell them something, which most of the time it was. It was something that was not in alignment with me. So if you find yourself, if you already have a business, you tried it in the past, and you find yourself that people were avoiding you, that you find yourself chasing strangers, chasing after families and friends, and you kind of had like a negative reaction to it, you're not alone. Many people have that. That's why I actually went online and I found people that actually taught me what I'm about to teach you today, which is pretty much how to have an online business without having to chase anybody. This is how you become the hunted and not the hunter. You don't chase people. People come to you, and this is how you do it. So let's get to it. And before I continue though, what you're seeing on the screen is actually my personal blog, where you can go and it's just an additional resource where you can go and learn how to be prosperous, how to be successful online. So it's succeedwithmichael.com, as you can see up there. And here you can you can check out my latest free training videos. You can explore the free training blog. You can see my recommended tools and resources that I personally have used and I still use to get results online. So you can check all of that in here. You can also go up here. You can learn a little bit about myself, my story, and if you want to contact me, you can reach me on any of this social media. I don't know if you see it on the screen, but any of the social media, Instagram, YouTube, you can go ahead and reach me on there. And you have questions, let me know. Okay, so coming up next, I'm going to teach you pretty much 3 ways that you can actually have people find you on the internet, have people chase you down pretty much on the internet, and get your results. So it doesn't matter what business you're in, what products you're selling, people are searching for on the internet. And when you know that what people are searching on the internet, then it's easier for you to get that product or that business in front of these people. So if you're looking for people to join your business, or you're looking to people to buy products, you can be selling t-shirts, maybe you have a course that teaches people how to do weight loss or how to train a dog. You can use the internet to that advantage. So basically, this is why I'm glad that I found this, because this is what's going to help you really succeed. So let's go ahead and get to it right away. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to this website called SEM. We can erase that part right there. So it's called SEMRush.com. So SEMRush.com, as you can see it up there. And basically you want to create an account. And this website here, they have subscriptions and they're kind of limited, but you can use it for free each day. I think they let you do like 10 searches a day, but you only need one search on something that you want people to find on the internet. Like let's say you have a business, or you're teaching people how to do weightlifting or fitness, anything like that, or maybe you have some vitamins that you want to sell. You can actually use this to see how many people are actually searching for that and get people to you, generate leads. So that's what you do online. You're generating leads, you're generating people that are interested, and then you're just pretty much following up with, with these people. And it's way easier to get people that are already interested in what you're offering than chasing people that might not be that might not be interested in what you're offering and have them avoid you at all costs, right? Back to my story. So you want to use this website here to search for keywords. So keywords are actually phrases that people are typing on Google or typing on different search engines, and this website actually tells you how many people are searching for that, how good is it for your content to be found with it. So this is how you do it. So basically you want to create an account, so you hit it where it says sign up. Okay, once you create an account, you want to log in, and you're going to have this screen here on projects, and you can see right here, you can enter the keyword on here. So for the sake of this video, we're going to use weight loss as an example. So you want to be specific. So we're going to use this keyword research right here called Keyword Magic Tool. And then once it loads, then what you want to do, you want to enter the keyword. So let me see how many people are searching for how to lose weight in a month. Okay, so once I hit search, it's going to come up with different phrases that people are searching for that keyword. So right here, as you can see, 5,400 people are searching for how to lose weight in a month. So if you can get a percentage of this, of the people searching for that monthly, 5,000, let's say you get 500 people hitting your, your website or hitting your platform, right? They find you online. How would that help you? You got, instead of you chasing 200 people, you can have 200 people come to you, or 300, or maybe 1,000. It depends, right? So basically you want to look at this number right here, the competition. If the competition is too high, meaning that a lot of people are using this in their advertisement, that's going to be hard. But you can see here, you can $2.74 you can pay if you're doing ads. That's how much you will spend to actually make this term on the first page on Google. So what you want to do, you're gonna need a platform. So let me explain. So in order for you to be successful online, have a profitable online business online, you need three things. You need a quality product, right? A product that actually works, that really helps people. Then you need a marketing system that does a 24/7 on your behalf. Let's face it, you don't want to be a slave to your business, so you need a marketing system that's going to do the telling and selling on your behalf 24/7. So this is how you earn income on your business while you sleep. So you have a marketing system doing the heavy lifting, doing the techy stuff for you. The third thing you're going to do is actually generate traffic into that system. So I'm going to leave, if you don't know what traffic is, I leave a link below in the description that says, that explains what traffic is and what are the two types. So check that out if you don't know what traffic is. So you're going to be driving traffic. So basically how you drive traffic, you actually use this keyword. And if you're using a platform, let's say you using Instagram or using YouTube, so whatever platform you're using, you want to use that keyword on there. You want to copy and paste this and use it on the title. You want to use it on the description, and you want to use it on the tags. If you're doing a blog, let's say you have a personal blog, the same thing. You want to do a blog post, you want to put that keyword on the title. You want to put that keyword in an image. You want to also put it on the tags. So pretty much what you're doing, you're telling the platform that you're using what your content is about. And once you do that properly, just put it in your title, description, and in the tags, then basically the search engines like Google, YouTube, or whatever search engine you're gonna use, you can use Bing too as one of the search engines. So a platform that people search for stuff, basically they're gonna send traffic to it. And if the content is good, if people are actually, when they go to your content, they're actually getting what they want, the information they needed, then what's gonna happen, then the platforms are gonna send you even more traffic, based on the interaction they have with your content. So people are liking it, people are leaving comments, they're taking action. They're gonna send you traffic. They're gonna send you more viewers, and you're actually being chased. You know, people are not. You're not chasing after people. They're coming to you and they're checking your stuff. So this is how this is really cool. So not on this video, but on a different video, I'm gonna show you what you do when you get traffic. What you want to do, you want to do something called lead generation. So lead generation is when people actually are giving you their details, like their email, for example. In exchange of the information, they're giving you permission for you to follow up with them through email. I'm gonna go on a video about that later on. But for this video, I'm just showing you how you can become the hunter and not the hunter. So you use a keyword tool such as SEMRush.com. You put the keyword, depending what product you're selling, what business you're in, you're gonna put that keyword on there. If your product, let's say, helps people make money online, so you want how to make money online, you want to see on, I'm pretty sure that's a pretty difficult one to go for, but you can be more specific. You can be how to make money online, you know, from the beach, or how to make money online without having to call people, without having to chase people, like I'm teaching you right now. That's the same thing. So you want to use that keyword, and every time each day as you add content into your platform, then you keep adding on to every day about the different keywords. And guess what? With time, you're gonna become an authority because you're actually teaching people stuff. You're teaching people how to lose weight. And if you don't want to create your own content, there's different websites you can go to and have already done for your content. You can go to this website called pexels.com. I'm going to leave a link on the description on that. And basically you can look for videos on there that you can upload, little short videos. And this is a royalty-free content, meaning that you can actually download it to your computer and pretty much upload it to your platform. So you just got to be specific on what your platform is about. So if you have a platform about training dog, then you're going to post content regarding how to train a dog. And then you can direct people to a link where they can purchase or they can learn more about the product that's going to help them achieve whatever results you're offering. Does that make sense? Okay, hopefully it does. If you're interested in becoming hunted, people chasing you down on Instagram, then you go to this website called app.systrix.com. And basically this is an Instagram hashtag generator. So if you want to, let's say for the sample of this video, you want to do how to lose weight, you want to hit enter on there, and then you see it generates the tags for you, and it's right here, shows you how popular it is. It's 100% diet. So you can copy and paste this into your Instagram. So keywords on Instagram is called hashtags. So you're telling Instagram what your content is about. So again, when it sends traffic, because it's going to send you some traffic, and if people like it, if you're actually answering the question that people are asking, hey, how can I lose weight in a month? And you tell them how to do it, and then you kind of direct them to a link. Hey, you want to lose weight in a month? Check out, learn more about my product. The link in my bio, you can see something like that. And if people are actually doing it, people are leaving, they're liking your content, you're showing them how to do it, and they're hitting like and they're leaving comments, guess what? They're gonna, Instagram as a platform is gonna send you more visitors because people are having a good interaction with your content, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is how you have people come to you, and now you chase people, and it happens all online. It happens 24/7 because people are, there's people online 24/7 because of different time zones, right? So while you sleep, people are checking your stuff out. So you don't have to go out and chase, knock on people's doors or anything like that. You can just simply create content on the internet, and the content is like your personal salespeople, right? They're actually, the marketing system is actually your personal salesperson, and they're just telling people about your products over and over again, and they're doing the telling and selling on your behalf. Okay, so this is how you do it on Instagram. All right, and yeah, that is all for today. So this is how to start an online business without chasing friends or chasing families. Hopefully you got a lot of value from this video, and if you did, please hit like because it helps it out, and feel free to leave me your comments below. I would like to hear what you thought about this video, and if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation to starting a profitable online business starting today, hit that first link in the description and pretty much fill out those details, and I'll go ahead and email you the video with all the information. So feel free to do that. Other than that, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, go ahead and hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. See you next time.